My name is Dr. Okwebanwo, the founder and CEO of the American Internet Business School and the Fearless Netpreneur Group. We all know that the top 5% of internet marketers who control 95% of the money flowing around in the internet business environment must be doing something very different from what the remaining 95% of struggling digital marketers are doing. The only problem is most people could not figure out what these top winners were doing differently until now. Very recently, and over the course of 3 months, I was able to beg, to cajole, and to convince 9 of the biggest and most successful internet marketers in the game to reveal the secrets and strategies of their success to me and explain those little but critical things that they do differently that seem to set them apart in the internet money game in a series of live one-on-one interviews. Yes, against all odds, I was able to get super internet marketing achievers like Daven Michaels, Sam Bakker, Todd Gross, Omar Martin, Chad Nicely, Sam England, Ron Douglas, Delilah Taylor, and the great Tom Beal himself to open up and talk to me about their business secrets and winning strategies in exclusive, no-holds-barred, one-on-one live interviews over the course of 6 weeks. Those interviews were done. I have appropriately called this set of 9 live video interviews the confessions of the Rainmakers, because really, that's what these guys are. They make rain on a daily basis. That's dollar rain. Each of these people were literally compelled to spill the beans about the secrets of their business through carefully constructed questions I pushed at them to draw out the practical truths about their business instead of just the palliatives. Since I've observed them all for years, I'm even friends with many of them, I even asked them pointed questions about what they actually do in their business as opposed to what they often say they do in different presentations. Surprisingly, most of them obliged me, and they gave me very frank and explosive answers to my intrusive questions that most of us would simply like to know, but dare not ask them. At the end of the day, each separate live interview with these leaders ended up at least 90 minutes long. And what they revealed in those exclusive live interviews have literally helped me and my associates explode our business profits in the last few months. And I am confident they will literally help you change the fortunes of your business too, for the better. The Confessions of the Rainmakers package, based on over 18 hours of live one-on-one interviews with 9 multi-million-dollar internet marketers, gives you instant access to the ultimate business secrets of 9 internet marketing superstars, and how those secrets can help you explode your own business too. In this package, you will learn some of the money-making strategies of internet business legends that I mentioned earlier: Daven Michaels, Sam Bakker, Todd Gross, Omar Martin, Chad Nicely, Sam England, Ron Douglas, Delilah Taylor, and Tom Beal. I mean, these are some of the biggest names in the game, for those of you who even understand the game. Now you can get access to the entire set of 9 interviews, okay, consisting of 18 hours of audio, video, and the complete transcripts of each interview at an amazing discount today. Of course, considering the amount of the breakthrough information that I will be putting in your hands today, I can only afford to do this huge discount that you're going to see on the checkout page for a very limited time. Once the special discounts have expired, the special coupon on the page will no longer work, and you will have to pay the full price to get access to these golden business success revelations by the masters of the game. So click on the button below right now and get hugely discounted access to not just the full transcripts of the game-changing business confessions of the 9 super Rainmakers, but also immediate access to the entire sets of 9 exclusive video and audio interviews. That's over 18 hours of amazing revelations and over 200 pages about how to succeed and make more money online, as revealed by the masters of the game. Click on the button below to claim your copy right now.